Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to automatically resize your images in Premiere Pro. Welcome to the channel, my name's Mark, and as you can see here we have a new project open and it's a 1080p size. Now if we drag our images in from our library here and place them on our timeline, you can see that all these images are way too much zoomed in on our frame. What you might think would work is right clicking and scaling to frame size, but the problem with this is it'll still leave these black bars on either side of our image here. An easy way to fix this and do it in bulk is to come up here to the effects panel here. If you can't see the effects panel, come up to window and select effects. Now in the effects panel type in auto, and you can see down here under transform there's an effect called auto reframe. Now if we drag that onto our image here, you can see here it automatically reframes our image to the frame size of our video. Now if you want to apply this effect in bulk across all of your images in your timeline, you can simply select those images, grab the effect over here and drag it onto the image. And it will apply the effect to all of them, and as you can see here, it's adjusted all those images for us. So there you go, that's an easy way to resize all your images to frame inside Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.